What's up, my people? This is Frankly Moirore, and today I want to show you guys how to get approved on Maxbounty. I know a couple of people try to sign up for Maxbounty, but they end up not getting approved. So today I'll be showing you the process. It's quite simple. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the point. So I'm not gonna be showing you what Maxbounty is all about. So it's my belief, if you're right here watching this video right now, you know what Maxbounty is all about. You know Maxbounty is a CPA affiliate marketing program. So if you're interested in learning on what Maxbounty is all about, I'll be having another video on this shortly. So yeah, so let's get straight to the point. So before you continue, guys, there's a link in the description below. This my Maxbounty affiliate link, so you can click on that link and register for your Maxbounty account. So you're more likely to get approved if you use another affiliate marketer's link. So click on that link and you're more likely to get approved quickly. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that, guys, I can continue giving you more value on how you can start your online business and how you can start generating income. So I'm going to do this quickly. So on the next page, you're going to be asked on security questions. So probably I can help you with this. So let's say what city were you born in? I was born in Nairobi. What else? What was my childhood nickname? My childhood nickname was Meme. I don't know why people don't call me that anymore. So you're gonna put in your email, your phone number, and then your time zone. So make sure you put in the correct time zone, because the team members or the affiliate, what do we call them? The AM, the affiliate managers, and affiliate manager is going to call you. So you need to put in the correct time zone. So let's say maybe you are from Alaska. Make sure you put in the right time zone, and then they're gonna ask you when can you be reached. Make sure you put in the time that you can be reached, because they're going to actually call you and ask you a couple of simple questions on affiliate marketing. So make sure you put in the right time that you can be found on the phone. Let's say in the evening, the late afternoon, in the early morning, all that. Make sure you have a Skype account. This is very, very important. How did you hear about Maxbounty? Probably you can just type in my name, Frankly Moirore, because yeah, I won't mind if you write my name right there. Okay, so I'm gonna fill in these details and get back to you shortly. So in this next step, you're gonna put your address. So you're gonna put your street address. Mine is 31425. Okay, so you're gonna put your city. Mine is Nairobi. You can also put this information if you're from North America state. You can put in your country. Then you must put your postal code, and then you're gonna click on next. Okay, what did I miss? Non North American state. Okay, this is important too. Can miss that one. Click next. Okay, experience. So this is the most important part for you to get approved on Maxbounty. If you're in this page, I want you to go and click on affiliates. Right on affiliates, you're gonna click on join Maxbounty now. So on this page, you're gonna fill in your details. So the Maxbounty team want to know if you're experienced with promoting affiliate marketing offers. So if you're not experienced, they can't allow you into the program. So they want to know if you're experienced. So you must show them that you're experienced for them to allow you into their program. So you're gonna come here. What is your experience? I'm a complete beginner. I want experience. I have some. Okay, you need to go with I'm extremely experienced and have received many payments from networks. Okay, describe your past experience in affiliate marketing. So you can come up with something like I have been an affiliate marketer in several affiliate marketing programs, such as you can guess. We have JVZoo, ClickBank, we have which one else, and Yunla. You see, you can say I have been promoting different kind of affiliate products, such as weight loss products, loan offers, what else, and money making opportunities. Okay, you can come up with something, but if you want to copy mine, no problem. So you can come up with yours, or you can just fix this one a little bit. So how do you intend to promote the offer? So you have to write something like how you're going to drive traffic to the Maxbounty offer. So we have two types of traffic. So you're going to say I will drive traffic through two means, which include free traffic and paid traffic. For the paid traffic, I will use, okay, misspelled this one. For the paid traffic, I will use systems. Okay, let's use the word platforms. I will use platforms such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Which one else? We have the Bing Ads. We have Taboola. Yeah. For the free traffic, I will use platforms such as we have Reddit, Facebook groups, yeah, something like that. So let's go to the next one. So what offer are you looking for? You can say maybe you're looking for offers such as weight loss offers and loan offers. Yes, something like that. Your website URL. Oh my god, you need a website, or even if you don't have a website, you can come up with a landing page. So I'll be showing you on another video on how to create a landing page. It's quite simple. You can use systems such as lead pages. We have the ClickFunnels, and we have maybe something like get response lead landing pages. So you'll have to include your website URL here. So is this account for incentive traffic? Okay, definitely gonna go with a no. So here you're gonna come up. Okay, I have my own landing page. It's called On Boss Initiative. So maybe I can add this. On Boss Initiative. Okay, I think that's enough. And then after that, you're gonna click on next. Check out these boxes to make sure that you agree with the terms and conditions, and then click on finish. Simple. So confirm your application. You'll receive an email. So you're going to go to your email and then click on your email so that you can confirm this application. So after that, you're going to get a phone interview, whereby they're just going to ask you the same questions that you have been filling in the step on experiences. Description below, you're going to find my Maxbounty affiliate link, so you can click on that link and create your Maxbounty account. And Maxbounty have this policy that if you use another affiliate marketer's link like mine below, you're more likely to get approved quickly. Okay, I don't really know how that works, but that's their policy. So just use my link and just create your Maxbounty account, and if you follow the steps that I've given you, you're most likely going to get approved. It's quite simple. So when they call you, don't freak out, just answer the questions they ask you, and just make sure you master the information that you filled in the experience section. So guys, I'm wishing you all the best. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment below, and I want you to like this video, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to subscribe to this channel so that I can be giving you more information on how you can start making money online, and how you can start living the freedom life, and achieving the financial freedom and financial confidence. So guys, I'm gonna see you later. This is Franklin Mwerore, and I love you guys. All the best.